we just need to give it, yeah. I don't know if that's carp. Gosh, man, what I should have done. I'm gonna give this one a hard cadence and then kind of slow down right. Got him. Got him. All right, so we're on to some white bass here. Some striped bass. Oop. Those fish tend to love that bait. He looks yellow, like yellow bass. I think it is. There he is. And our first catch. We take it. Ooh. All right. So we just need to keep throwing this around. Got him. Number 2. Pull and drag. Pull and drag. All right, we found the hole. Found the hole. All right. Oh, found the hole. We're just gonna keep reeling in quick. Dang, man, got him. He's not big. He counts. Number 3, dude. I'm telling you, man. When these white and yellow bass are feeding, it's a fun time. This number 3. Oh, he swallowed that thing. He swallowed that thing, dude. Goodness gracious. Let's see if they're not deep. Man, I wonder if they're just around here. All right, so late August. Golly, dude, look at them. They're hungry. We do fish the pattern, not the spot, so I think the duo back there is catching fish too. We hit the spot, baby. Look at these things, man. Oh, I might just put these things out. Is that 5? We'll make it 5. I'm feeling generous to myself today. I think they found a hole. Oh, oh, kill it. Come back. Oh, we had it. Oh, too small. They want to chase. I mean, I'm reeling in pretty quickly and these fish are coming up. There it is, dude. It's number 6, dude. Oh, buddy has a net. Oh, there he is, number 6. You know. Let's see how many I can. I think that's 6. Yeah, that's 6. Oh, just had a bite. I'll just keep it reeling in all the way. Come back. Yep, there it is. Told you, dude. They are aggressive right now. Oh, too much slack. Number 7. goodness. So today is one of those instances where I think I got bit. Yep, I'm getting bit. Yep, got him. He came back. Number 8, dude. Owie. Number 8. He's not big. He's number 9. Those dorsal fins poke you. Oh, thank you. Yeah, I believe it. Well, they're not. They're gonna move. So, dude, there's no way that's number 10, bro. Dude, what is going on? I'm telling you, man. All right. Well, we found the secret. Late August. Late August might be the time to get back on some striped bass. And you don't have to be at the dam, I guess. I'll slow it down just a little bit, but fish are fast, so it's not like they can't catch my retrievals. Got him. He feels like not striped. Maybe he is. Hold up. No, he is. Yep. Oh, number 11. Right above the eye, so that's good. Right. No, he's fine. Oh no. Bro, he swallowed that thing. I'll get him back in the water quick. They act like they're here. Got him. Oh, he jumped. Oh my goodness. This might be the best one. On number 11. And he got that tail again, bro. Oh. No, this is shad. This is shad. That's what this one is. It's number 11. This is shad. Right there. Okay. You tore my bait again, though, bro. I'm telling you, man. All the fun I want to have in 2 hours of fishing is right here, but golly, These baits are tearing. They look like garp, but they're not. My goodness, right on top of him. Right on top of him. No way, I just caught one of these things, dude. What is happening? What is happening? What is happening? I can't put my fingers in these, I'm pretty sure. What in the feeding frenzy? Nope, that might be. Oh my gosh, dude. No, I can't. Come on, buddy. You won't believe what I caught this thing on, just so everyone believes me. And, yep. Okay, well, he came off. Ali. Not prepared for the striped bass fishing. I'm prepared for that catch, though. You can see my injured line. Oh yeah, we hooked him good. Might need net. There he is. Yeah, them treble hooks are trouble. Call it number 13. There he is. Might jump. He might jump. Oh, this might be a good one. Oh. He's got something. Oh. No, it's just plant. All right. We're gonna flip our bail. Nice. Nice. They don't really move when you catch them, at least these bigger ones. Come on, buddy. There's the best catch of the day. But we're not done. We can't stop now. There he is. There he is. What are we on, y'all? Nice. This one's a little tricky because he kind of swallowed it almost. There we go. What are we on? Oh, see, they're flopping up over there, man. Jumping out of the water, man. Maybe I need to move again. You think? I don't know. I don't know. Let's cast out this rock real quick. Got it. Got it. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, we might jump. Nope. Come on. Oh, it's fighting. Come on. He's still fighting. Oh, nice fish. He's a decent one. Come on, in the net. Man, whew. That was fun. Oh, that was a lot of fun. All right. Might need pliers for you, buddy. Nice. Number 16. Okay, let's please not have this happen to me again. No. I could tell you wanted to jump there for a moment. All right, we have some clouds. The sun isn't as hot, or excuse me, the sun isn't as bright out right now with the clouds. Got it. Got it. Oh, what a nice one. Oh, that is some shad. Sure. 17. 3 more. Oh, shad. Big ol' skipjack. Lucky you're not bait, man. You are lucky you're not bait. That bite was close up to the kayak. So, I'm wanting to chase. The bite might be not so fast, maybe. Yep, that's what's happening. They're wanting to like wait, lurk, and chase. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna feed Mr. Mosquito. I was gonna feed you to the fish if I could. If I could. They want them little grub baits. We'll give it to them. I'm not trying to eat y'all. I just want to catch you. I don't want to eat you. I don't have time for that. There you go. See? Oh, we got a little skipjack action. Yep. Fish number 3. Look at him. Look at him. Trying to go under my boat. Yep. Oh, this is so fun on the ultralight, guys. If you don't fish ultralight, you need to go out and buy you a $50 combo. Get you a $50, $60 combo. Oh, this one's. And you need to go. Come on. Goodness gracious. That is tough. Got a tough mouth. Get this one here. Skipjack. Fish number 3. Yep, got him. More Tennessee tarpon. Ah, he came off. Well, 3.5. Man, told y'all, as soon as I need to leave, fishing gets a little better. With the sun coming out, completely overcast cloud. cloudy day and pretty perfect conditions minus the rain that came in last night. May have disrupted some of the fishing with the visibility and raising water level. These fish are slow to bite right now. Let's just see. Let's just see. I didn't stop my cadence either. I kept that retrieval up. It's gonna be fine. Come on, let's get one fish before I go. One fish. No way. No way. No, he bit too. Oh, no way. No way. Not right before I leave. Oh, man. I wonder if it's too small. Nah, you should be able to bite that. Ah, no way. No way did that just happen. Oh, I thought I had him. Thought I had him on and everything. Oh, there's no way that just happened, man. Come on. Got him. No shot. Yeah. He's not coming up. Hold on, we're gonna keep him down. Oh, he's not too big. He's not too big. Oh, I think this is yellow bass. Woo! Nah, it counts. I touched him. There he is. Happy you could be my last cast, last catch.